Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side so Equinox Tori House. Inside we strong number them for this afternoon. We go take una, we go talk this palava for picking them where they be go for go swim or they be go for go carry firewood. Before it is so, last thing they can change where they picking themselves the dime or inside water, they be dey them 7. Now 6 people them, sabi say they be first come out, the first die body them, it be dinner for Monday. Tuesday where it pass, when yesterday, the 3 other die body them to the come out away make totally 6 of them. Sabi say Oga Dio Sesep for Douala form, it be there for that water side from Gwele, where now for that side where they meet up, they picking that die body. Now so too we go take una, we talk this other palava, we talk palava for land where it is so they don't move some person for house for seka palava for land. According to the Tori we enter we here na palava we deso na chief for inside this side so for Douala Sesep. He call people them say me they command the people them. Sabi say minister Sesep for palava for urban affairs minister where they look out town them ma where they call it Sabi Sesep dey for that side so for Douala where they talk na minister for urban and rural development wey Sesep dey for side for Douala for Konsamba side. Now for look the kind of work the way it don't dey happen na ma Kecha Cortez e dey for that side since for morning time. We go talk to Tori for this afternoon. Sabi say Oga Atango Atango Sesep e don put a full stop for on top palava for how wey they get for local chief them for side for Fako division. E don talk say make dem no put no chief so they put all the condition them for order. All the Tori them so plus one way newspaper then talk am we go bring am this afternoon. Big part talk editor we say waiting say if butterfly dey fly now make e sabi say e be first start like a caterpillar wey e be the waka with e belle for ground. I say if butterfly e start for flying make e Sesep e no forget say e be first dey na caterpillar wey e be the waka for ground before e start for flying. Now on Nkwene for that side so wey they call am say Bangem. Now he send we big part up for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We glad for meet up with una this chapter for this side for Equinox Tori House. We go start now with this palava with the Wawa Tori. Sabi say we don't start talk for now. Palava some 6 picking them where they be go die for inside water they go find the firewood them. Now for that side will be land it be day na Tuesday for afternoon where all man it be she done Oga Dio Sesep it be come up for office say make it to a can see the last one. Sabi say the one now the last 3 are picking them where they so they be day them 6 where it be day where they be go find firewood for inside some water so for that side so now the die body then say that where they be bring them they be then at them at 3 they be don't fair come out 3 on Monday the last 3 now only Tuesday where they be last come out they bring away all them they be don't already brought in. Sabi say they don't be for inside water Friday Saturday Sunday Monday now only for Tuesday where they so they be meet up they speaking them for that side just for Sabi say they speaking they be go find firewood before strong water he carry them he move and put them for game all them they be don't smell they be just come one time with their coffin them where they go put them for inside so that they go just carry them go one time. So Oga Dio Sesep for Douala for E2 he be come out he come for can see to happen they pick it they be then inside canoe where they don't cover and so with it that close for that side so it be then a wonderful thing after where they be come out the first 3 on Monday the last 3 them too they only come out them for outside now on Tuesday so they don't come out all them they go bury them it be then a palava way all people there they be come for them they be get for lock their nose. We hear say the worker for find the picking them it take 4 hours before the last see this 3 picking them. The first one as soon as Sabi now for Monday where they be find them the last 3 for Tuesday so it be then another period for people them for cry. Sabi say as we talk they picking them they be gonna for go find firewood for inside water before strong breeze on top water it turn them they fall for down out of 7 pikin them, now 3 or 1 person he turn back, 6 all them they comot their body them wey they don already die, so they bury all them yesterday, as so they bring the last 3 them for that side. For morning time, where we go meet up for here, we go meet up with the the quarter head for inside Ngwele wey Isesep e be talk with we for that side. So we go turn back for morning time for here with we quarter head for Ngwele quarter Sesep e talk on top this palava for the pikin them. Sabi say total 6 of the pikin them they don already comot them for water after wey they be go find firewood. We go left that chapter just now. We take una talk another palava na for inside Douala here, na palava for house, palava for land wey e dey so just now. Some mami e dey for outside for sika palava waiting, they don comot for a house. Tori wey enter we ear, the mami say e try for tell we say na some big hand people them wey they say na chief e send them, they come Chakara house wey e she done on top. According to the tori wey enter we ear, they try for talk for we say this house or the land where the house dey na some small problem land. Mami say e no be sabi, say e dey so nothing that way dey happen for that side. Only for if she done for can see am say e dey so. Some morning time, as we just wake up for morning time, na some person knock it door. As we wan show head for outside, the person talk say they don't talk for e, say make e come up for outside. So they Chakara all the thing there for a house, na big hand them wey they talk say na chief e send them so for go do the kind of work. Sabi say even the mami say he don't try for talk for we say they so e too he don't confuse on top this palava for sika say even as so a massa no dem, a massa be don't ever tell you say the land na land wey he buy am with his own money. So na palava with the land he go be na for problem wey a massa no talk for it. So just now that mami say he don't confuse who side go she done, and people then say they ask question who side e dey so chief he go get mine for say make he go Chakara people them house, so till they comot all their cargo them for outside for sika say waiting. They say that land wey she done on top, e no be get for she done on top. For sika to say massa too e no dey for talk say okay nothing the way e don't pass or nothing the way it be dey true. So all man I don't confuse if true the land e be na land wey massa never pay money on top, or na say na open eye for sika say massa say e no dey. So the woman now e dey na for outside, he talk say na chief he send some big hand people them say make they can Chakara comot for outside his own house. We go left that chapter just now. We take una now, we go for that side. So from Konsamba, sabi say my minister Sesep, we they call it say Keita Cortez. Now they look out how we country get for be, how we get for clean. It dey just now for that side. So for Konsamba, for see the kind of work them way it don't happen for inside Konsamba town. He meet up dirty them for corner roads, con the people them. Now they dirty them that way. My minister Sesep is here for corner roads as way it enter for that side. All man it the beg na my minister say make the work where they don't start may they struggle for see as way they go finish that work on the people them for see say waiting when rain it the fall dig water so on the see so water they enter for inside people their house. My minister says it turn up on top bridge, it look as way they walk it happen, and it don't talk to say for me or them make them try for see which way they get for do now work when normal if you don't get for finish things, but certain now the work is also turn up, and as well rain it the fall sabi say na people themselves from Konsamba they dey hear bad. So my minister Celestin Keita Cortez he says he go there for go see as we work it happen, and he don't talk for mayor for inside that town, even governor delegate say make they quick do the work them so that people them for inside Konsamba they no go suffer as we go to meet up some of the work people them where they do their work, but he don't talk say make all the work them where it be na say make they open water them, make all the thing they work fine, so that make no person no talk say they so they never do the work. So he don't give own command here. Sabi say my minister says he dey for that side for Konsamba for Sika festival for Mongo people them too, where it go start on Thursday when na only tomorrow. So he don't give own command here, and he already talk make man no do nothing. He don't talk with the population then too. After that one he give them small money, now the money that we dey for hand. He don't talk say make they do all the work them fine, so that after all money go sleep fine. So now take the one una drink small mimbo. So now they work at that and sabi say my minister sesep Celestin Kecha Cortez he go so remain from Konsamba side as we enter for day today. He just turn for see wait way Konsamba council dey do am and for talk say dey so plenty work he get for do so that town from Konsamba go clean. No be na dey kind of dirty thing them wey people dey for see am. So he don't talk say make they try for do all the work then so that people them for Konsamba they no go suffer when rain e fall for that side. Make we hear wetin wey people then say for that side from Konsamba they talk for we man Cyril Jemba.
Still they will say work to go on, say never finish. They say they will put another layer, the third layer. They will finish them, they will never finish. That's what they will tell me. Since they start them, they say they will put 3 layers. Back the road will be did before, and the road where they don't dig and move up. So they don't dig and move up. But the churches sometimes they will bring a new one. Then they don't bring a different thing where not be small time rainfall for it will go on, so it not be road again. When they bring that old one will be there. As they promise they will make them, we don't know, or they will make them, or they don't make them with weight.
I say water they come down right from market, and from that market where that water they come down, people they from market they trade the best. And then you want people down here, people they don't build house, they don't reduce the gutter where they make water not the pass, it not circulate well. So we beg say make the government try to put hand to say make it try to control this water because the gutter is this small and people then too they don't drain their toilet from that water. That way rain before it move their shit from the toilet. And that one, they make the whole place in the cement. So with the back say, let them try to put hand for help we, I will feel the fine.
From Konsamba country people them, we go just waka, we go for that side so for Loom, na so for under Mongo division. For talk say just now, the new commander says for inside the 21 infantry or 23 infantry battalion for that side. He don't chop it here for that side so for inside Mongo. We talk on top of this other palaver. We take people them go for Loom site where we get a new commander. This one na image for inside the Douala here where they don't put new chief them where they show their own work. Na quarter head and say where they put them for chair official for say waiting. They don't talk for them. Say they keep security for inside the different quarter them. Sabi say the arrangement say it happen for time we plenty quarter them for inside Douala here. They get problem for insecurity, so the new quarter head them where they don't put them for chair, they don't talk for them, say make the respect commandium and two make they look out their population them for inside that different quarter them. Make we talk this palaver for a Loom site for talk say commandant for inside that 23 infantry battalion Seseb. Then Seseb they don't take official chair. Now this sometime where this arrangement Seseb it happen for Loom where commander Itugem he Seseb he chop chair like the new big man for that side so for Loom. Sabi say Dingandu Seseb he pass now before a DO for side for Loom side where he Seseb he see him as so they be a change hand. Sabi say they don't talk for he make he look out peace and make him can say make Loom your place e dey quiet so Ngando Sesep e pass for before big people them arrangement e finish now with him march as we sabi no Ngando for nye them e no fit pass with this march e no happen as we talk DO Sesep for that side e be dey for a grandstand as we they be the change command new big man e don't can she done on top chair so all thing e pass fine and they don't tell him palava for security he must to look at them make people then Sesep for Loom they hear fine make no nothing it no happen for that side so where they call them say Loom after where they don't put it for chair so commander Ituge Sesep he go start for wakam he do he work normal Ngando he be end with small dance with commander. Yes, we go take una now so we talk this palavas sabi say Gratango Sesep he don't na comfortable na book that we Gratango don't sign am he say just now all chief them for inside Fako for put chief for Fako just now. It don't be suspend. On top that palava land for that side so for Mutengene for Esuke Camp where they so now one of the land them where don't cost plenty palava them. Sabi say if they give land to for that side now for you for look at them. So Gratango it don't sign book for now so as all the talk. No man where they go put it chief where they go discover or they go talk say be chief. Gratango says them now sign that book for talk same. They no go put no man chief if they no respect the correct commander. Sabi say this palava for chief according to Congo Sawe enter with EM. Some of the chief them they di chokojawe for enter for inside chapter for chieftaincy. Other one them they di put them for chair for say me they sell land. So all the Tori Gratango don't hear them. Now one time he don't sign book for talk CM make they no put chief again for inside Fako and people then say where they di buy land for side for Mutengene they don't talk even if na dash make you know take am for sikase na land them way e dey na for community no be na for people them. So the book na for say make them no put chief them again for that side so for inside Fako division. We go finish Tori. We don't finish Tori for this afternoon. Make we enter now for newspaper. Inside newspaper, you go read palava for inside we country. They tell we as we World Bank, IMF, they don't give congratulate for Cameroon. For say they don't stop the way they spend money inside country. So for inside the Guardian Post, they don't meet a woman them. They don't woman themselves. They don't talk. Wait they make them for follow young boy them instead for follow people the way they don't hold. Inside the same Guardian Post, you go read Tori where they don't talk. Atiku Abubakar Seseb, he get na 21 day for remain for Nigeria or for turn back for your own country in Cameroon according to Tiwe the Guardian Post he talk Nobel Peace Prize person wey win am sesep e dey for Cameroon for peace work other tori them if you read them inside the Guardian Post so e dey for outside. Make we take una enter for Advocate newspaper wey dey too for outside today country people them inside the Advocate newspaper they talk for we from V.E. Mukete sesep e don't get some open letter wey e no can find according to Tori people them for Advocate they tell we say e dey so Oga Munzu sesep e don't talk on top the palava but they ask am wait when from V.E. Mukete do am wey no go pine for people their heart. If you read them for the Advocate first tax sesep outing e don't last end for that side for Limbe after we plenty people them the fear say first tax e no go happen. The Advocate e talk and two plus palava fire wey e don't suffer people them for Cameroon for Moon for March and April. If you read two SDF them two they get their own small pungu for inside the country. District chairman he talk with story people them for Advocate newspaper. Newswatch now another one way day for outside today country people them inside Newswatch way day for outside this same time. We get palava for Maurice Camp to support people them where they talk even as when Maurice Camp to people they be the talk plenty last he show say they no get strong heart as we dey so they don't cancel their waka wey they be get for waka after we grant and go e be sign book then say they no come up for outside. Inside the same chapter for Newswatch you go read to him where he concern minister for college book Ma Pauline Nalovia Lyonga wey dey so they don't talk for you for the better work wey do am for this FENASCO A game where he drop finish for that side for Yaoundé 12.7 billion na money that way they don't put am where he dey so he get for lookout people there they also run for Seka this palava for Norway and Southwest. You feel read Tori too palava at Chidi Achu where he dey so social media he kill am but the Newswatch wey dey for outside this same time he dey tell we say Chidi Achu he wake up for that side for Yaoundé after we social media he be don't talk say he don't die. Now they told them that for we table for this afternoon country people them Sabi Seb say tomorrow we go surely turn back for inside other tori them we it day for we before inside that tomorrow we go surely bring turn for inside quarter for see wait we them for inside with tori but just for Sabi Seb so we get case for person we don't lost we get case for person we don't lost country people them make we show na photo for this person we don't lost na the woman that in name na you cheat Larissa, they talk say he come up for house on number 14 day for inside this moon and around 1 o'clock and they talk say that way he come up for their house no man he no sabi sa way go. They say this pikin he get 15 years yes the pikin he get 15 years he dey talk Bangante country talk he dey talk Emmanuel Macron country talk but na say the pikin he hate e no tana fine, na me say the pikin e decrease according to tori wey e enter for we ear. Now as we dey talk, time wey be comot for house, e be wear na some small yellow clothes for his skin. So quicker magel e dey beg any person wey don see this pikin, make e try for call that tiny number dem wey dey for before television just now, 656-772-720, 675-137-609, or you bring it for Equinox Tori House. Madame Kwika Magiel annonce la disparition de sa fille, la nommée Yupchit Larissa, depuis le dimanche 14 avril 2019 aux environs de 13h. Elle est partie de la maison pour une destination inconnue. Elle est âgée de 15 ans. Elle s'exprime en banganté et en français et ne joue pas de toutes ses facultés mentales. Au moment de sa disparition, elle était vêtue d'une petite robe jaune. Madame Kuka prie toute personne qui reconnaît ou hébergerait sa fille de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro que vous voyez à l'écran maintenant, 656 752 720 675 137 609, ou la conduit à la télévision Equinox contre une très forte récompense. Now the tori them that for this afternoon, country people them. Now so we see country. We want to say big thank you for Dallas channel. Thank you too for you, Zefren Gondi, Malis, and Nadine for the work. We go meet up tomorrow when we jam for 8 o'clock. On a whole, I'm tight for outside.